Well, guys, it took me all day today, part of about half a day yesterday, and odds and ends over the week. But I finally got a fence up on the back pasture for the cows and the cow and the two goats. I am tired. I had to do electric for the fence, and behind me is an old refrigerator. Pray tell, what does this redneck do with an old refrigerator? Stick a fence charger in that baby. Yeah. It's said for inside use only. Well, it's inside, right? I gotta water them. Gotta water the cow and the goats. But I'm tired. There we go. Reuse what you can. That's what poor people do. Peace.